Welcome to day 34, Campaigning with a Purpose, Online Momentum. So, in today 34, your content journey, today we're going to dive into something that can truly transform your social media presence, creating powerful campaigns. Whether you're planning to launch a free resource, host an engaging workshop, or roll out those special promotions, campaigns are your secret weapon for building momentum and driving your real results. So let's address a common mistake many creators make: randomly posting content without a strategic direction. While consistency does matter, it's the focused approach of the campaign that really moves the needle. Think about it. When you're telling a cohesive story across your post, you're not just sharing information, you're building anticipation and you're guiding your audience towards a certain goal. Campaigns work because they concentrate on your message, a compelling narrative. Instead of scattering posts, hoping to catch attention, you're crafting a deliberate journey to your audience. The focused approach naturally creates urgency. Your audience knows this opportunity won't last forever. They can see the value building in each post, and they understand there is clear destination ahead. Consider your campaign like a story arc in your favorite TV show. Each episode builds upon the last. Keep those viewers engaged and eager to see what's coming next. Your campaign post should work the same way, each piece adding value while moving towards the ultimate offer and message. The structure helps your audience feel confident in taking the next step with you. The beauty of campaigns lies in their versatility. You might start with an educational content that showcase your expertise. Then you share success stories that proves your approach works. Follow up with the practical tips that give immediate value and weave into personal stories that connect emotionally with your audience. Each element serves a purpose in building trust and building interest. Now let's break it down to how you can create your campaign. Start by selecting a certain offer or message. This is your campaign's destination. Be clear about what you want your audience to do, whether it's joining your program, downloading your guide, or attending your event. This clarity will guide everything else that you create. Next, map out 5 to 7 strategic posts that lead to your offer. Think of these as stepping stones, beginning with content that grabs attention and establishes the problem that you're solving. Then gradually build understanding, showcasing solutions, and demonstrating why your offer is the perfect next step. Each post should feel valuable on its own while contributing to a larger story. Timing is crucial for the campaign's success. Schedule your post over a course of a week to maintain momentum without overwhelming your audience. This concentrated time frame creates enough urgency to drive action while giving people time to engage with your content. Consider varying your post types to keeping the campaign fresh and engaging. Remember, while consistent posting helps build your trust to your audience, it's strategic campaigns that create the momentum needed for significant growth. You need both elements working together. Your regular content maintains presence and authority, while your campaign drives certain actions and results. The combination is what builds truly effective social media strategies. Your challenge for today is to outline one campaign that you'll implement in the coming week. Choose an offer, map it out with your content pieces, and then plan your posting schedules. Take the action today. The sooner you start planning, the sooner you'll see results. And when you've got your campaign mapped out, you'll be ready to create the content with purpose and drive real engagement with your audience. I'll see you tomorrow.